How to maintain a good credit score in Australia. Check out your credit file to see where you stand. Ensure your credit file is fair and accurate. Create a relationship with your bank. Have a credit card. Don't apply for too many cards. Pay your credit card and loans on time. Demonstrate general bills and bill paying reliability. What is a good score in Australia? Looking at Equifax credit score, a good score between 666 to 755 is considered good. A score between 756 840 is very good, and if your score is above 841, it's used as excellent. What is a bad credit score in Australia? The average credit score in effect score, previously video score, in Australia is 550, so any score below 50 is considered bad. Scores below 400 are considered very bad. What affects your credit score in Australia? It shows on your credit card rating. Even if you settle the debt before coming a default rate, some month-end court judgments, any court appearance will have a debt and resulting decision negative affect your credit rating. Too many credit inquiries. How long does bad credit last in Australia? As default stays on your credit report for 5 years, 7 years in case of clear out. What credit score does Australia start at? In Australia, your Equifax starting will be a number between 0 to 1,200. A good credit score is 622, and 7 to a very good score is 726, 800. An excellent score falls between 833 and 1,200. What hurts your credit score the most? The following some action can hurt your credit score. Missing payments. Payment history is one of the most important aspects of your FICO score. Even 1 day late 30-day payment or missed payment can have a negative impact. Using too much available credit. Do phone bills affect credit score in Australia? Only licensed credit providers such as your bank can provide repayment history to the credit reporting agency. This is the new piece. However, defaults from utilities and phone companies can continue to be reported, so late phone or electricity bills can impact the following some action can hurt your credit score. Missing payments. Payment history is one of the most important aspects of your FICO score. Even 1 day late 30-day payment or missed payment can have a negative impact. Using too much available credit. Do phone bills affect credit score in Australia? Only licensed credit providers such as your bank can provide repayment history to the credit reporting agency. This is the new piece. However, defaults from utilities and phone companies can continue to be reported, so late phone or electricity bills can impact your credit score. Just a loan default do. Does your credit score reset in Australia? If you pay an overdue debt, it is still listed on your credit report for 5 or 7 years, depending on the type of overdue debt. However, your credit report will be updated to show how much you made payments, which could help your score start to improve. 7 steps for improving your credit score. Gangster. In your credit score not as high as you like, you can request a copy of your credit report in Australia. 3. Keeping hold of your credit cards you can manage paying. How to work on maintaining your credit score. Gangster. Pay your bills on time. If you already got a good, very good, or excellent credit, the smart way to build a good credit bank. Australia. Paying your mortgage or rent plus or other bills on time each month. Consolidating your loans and credit cards to reduce the credit Credit scores and credit reports. MoneySmart.gov.Australia. Lenders use your credit score or credit rating to decide whether to give you credit or lend you money, knowing that you this can help you negotiate better. Tips to improve your credit score: calm bank, pay bills on time, build your saving, regularly pay off debt. Credit score Equifax personal. Your Equifax credit score will be a number between 0 to 100. The higher your Equifax score, the better credit profile. The guide fastest to improve your credit score. Debt busters. The road to reclaiming your credit score is not easy, but far from impossible. Today, many Australians are struggling to improve their credit score. Calm bank, pay bills on time, build your saving, regularly pay off debt. Credit score Equifax personal. Your Equifax credit score will be a number between 0 to 100. The higher your Equifax score, the better credit profile. The guide fastest to improve your credit score. Debt busters. The road to reclaiming your credit score is not easy, but far from impossible. Today, many Australians are struggling to improve their credit score. In fact, are you ready to make a positive change? Am I? I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe yes. Get your free credit score. Learn about credit reports. Rate City. I'm sure there are three main credit reports with the Experian, Equifax, and Eloin. Though there are others around the world for credit score. What are some of the advantages of having good credit score? You should know that advantage of good credit score improve. There are many occasions when having a good score is helpful. If your credit card is categorized a good, very good example, it can negate you to a strong borrowing power. This may encourage lenders to give you special discount on interest rate or other loan terms. You may only find it easier to get approved for a credit card or property. It's easier to get approved for property rental. You can also try to negotiate terms using your superior credit score as leverage. A credit score indicates that you are financially responsible, but it requires you to be disciplined. If you currently have a good score, you still need to remember not to apply too often for credit cards or loans, as these can quickly pull down your score. On the other hand, you may have better access to credit, but your good financial habits mean that you may not need to access this credit